Hairstyle is so easy to do, and you can do it on a little girl, or you can do it on an updo for yourself. And what you're gonna do is you're just gonna split the hair into 3 sections. This one and that one. Just gonna make a messy bun for each section. Okay, then you're gonna take the end, you're gonna pull it into like a little bun and through, and you're gonna take the end and you're just gonna stick it like back through the elastic as if you were pushing it back through, and just keep that end tucked in. You got all the You're going to bobby pin each piece, so pull them together so they kind of will mesh, and pin them in place.